Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and use the G90. Hopefully the cord is in here for the other stuff. I'm going to use this different battery. Okay, so in here I've got the data cord. I've got the microphone, which we're not going to need. The power cord. And then another layer. And then down in here where the radio is. So I don't know if you'd want to set it in the box like that, but I guess you could, and then you could like literally have like that and that like that. But the issue with doing that is the connections that you want are on the back. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this. And battery should probably last pretty decently. And I think we'll turn the power down really nice and low, especially since we know this likes to get warm. Okay. So I need to find the other deal. I highly recommend these. They're like 15 or 20 bucks on Amazon. They're about $50 from Ham Radio Outlet. I have no idea why. But if you want to buy one from HRO, be my guest. Okay. 13.3 and you're not going to be able to really see this if I sit over there with it. Okay, let's go ahead and should be tuned. Okay, I don't remember how to turn down the power. POW, power. Okay, power, 20 watts. Hey, let's try 1 watt and just see what the hell happens, right? That'd be kind of cool. Okay. I don't understand why it says SWR. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Actually, can kind of see this now. All you guys can really see is my reflection. So, this is touchscreen, so we'll just go ahead and let it do its thing. Okay. Now I don't have a way to monitor this because I'm not using anything. I don't see any power coming out.
Oh, you know why? There's another step that you have to do on this damn radio. So go ahead and turn that off. Okay. I do not exactly remember. Okay. Frequency. Auxiliary in volume. It's got to do with the mic gain. I don't want the bass version, I don't care. Okay. Okay, it's under mic key. Speed. It's gotta be. I don't know what MLR is. Alright, so what you have to do is you push function, power, mic gain, again, mic input, line. Okay. And then I think it'll work. You might have to turn on Vox. I don't remember. Let's go ahead and try. Okay, we're transmitting. We are doing 0.9 watts. That's awesome. This QRP is hell. Oh my goodness. Jeez. We better look for somebody with a really strong signal. 0.9. It's doing some CW decode crap on here too. We have 0 watts. I have to turn this up all the way. It's got really low gain. I forgot about that. So with the signal link, you have really, really low gain on this cord. So, I don't know how to get this thing to go away. I don't want CW decoding on here. There. Now, one of the things that would be really nice with this radio is be able to adjust the gain of the waterfall. Yeah. We're right on top of somebody. Hey, let's try this guy. -6. Can you see over my reflection? -6. Yeah, FN 21, so he's on the East Coast somewhere, probably New York. WO2F. Let's take a look. I mean, like, you're gonna be hard pressed to get anybody. Pennsylvania. Okie dokie. These people are funny. Okay, I don't think we're probably gonna get anybody with that kind of power. Let's try this one. -5. I would be really shocked if we could make a contact on 1 watt. So anyway, we get a problem with the input of this, so I'm trying to find Vox, but I discovered something else, the scale auto. Like, auto is pretty light. 2 is much more easy to read. You go all the way up to 10, you can't see much. So, I'm gonna put it at 2. You get a brighter waterfall. Pretty damn cool. I don't know where the hell the Vox is. So what I'm just gonna do is set the microphone over here. But yeah, something's either there's something wrong with the cable here or something. So it just kind of quit working. I verified everything was good on the microphone. I switched it to line in and all that. But yeah. So we got the waterfall kind of configured, but I need to figure out if I can turn on Vox or not, if they even have it. I can't remember if this radio has that.